I did it. I quit the job, still in Zanzibar. As you know, I was working in the diving center, but I quit. I quit for a lot of reasons. I quit because this is not my job and I want to keep going, losing time. I want to do what I have to do in my life, so that's why I quit the job. It was not a bad job, it was a very nice job. Always on the ocean with this boat, Kaskazi, but it actually was not my job. So this is the reason why I just left, because now I have no excuses. So now I can start looking for my real job. I want to make videos in my life. I want to do video now. I don't know in the future, but now that's what I want to do. So I just quit and I had to find work here, and I actually find the work immediately. So now I have to do some videos. It's very cool. I'm very excited about this because that's actually what I was here for. So yes, if you're doing the job you don't want to do, if you want to do something different in life, you should quit. You should start doing what you want to do, because yeah, it's never too late, but it's never too early. So if you, like me, was doing a wrong job, just leave it. Look for your job and look for your road. Enjoy, guys.